Hi, you're watching ModShapes, and this is Alex Steele, and today I'm going to take a pattern by Steve Good of the Scroll Saw Workshop and make it into a 3D printed rubber band gun. I call it the most epic 3D printed rubber band gun in the world. Let me show you how I made it.
Up in the sky, I hear that in your eyes. I see it now. Yes, I see it now. Lemons, stone promises, or a teeny. They don't lie or do you shine like the sun. Stars up in the sky, I hear that in your eyes. I see it now. Yes, I see it now.
I want to pause this video for a second and just talk about it's a rubber band gun. It's not real, and you can tell by looking at it, it's not real. You know, if you're holding something that looks like a weapon and it's not really a weapon, you could be in danger if someone perceives it as such. So there's a rule about a toy gun, and this really would qualify as a toy gun. So this has to have a plastic orange cap on the front of it so that everyone who looks at it will know it's not real. The most epic 3D printed, non-functioning rubber band gun in the world. Be responsible. Find out. So thanks for letting me get serious for a second. You guys, I don't condone violence of any kind. And sometime during the evening, as the epoxy resin began to harden, it sealed the edges. Now I had been intermittently going in and making sure that the trigger could still slide, and this morning, after a good 12 more hours or whatever of time span, it locked in and the trigger broke. So that is why this is the most epic 3D printed non-functioning rubber band gun in the world, and it's pretty. Thanks for watching this video. I try to make videos as time and quality allow. My ideas are not really relegated to one subject: 3D modeling, engineering, 3D printing, cameras in general, and art. Hopefully there's something that interests you. If you could put a like on this or a dislike, YouTube is going to be nicer to me. And I appreciate you for doing it. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one.